Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you friends? I hope you all fine and good. Today I'm back with very beautiful and a very stylish collection of formal wear sandals design ideas. Guys, in this video you will see different designs of sandals in different color also, and I hope you love all the designs because these are so beautiful and so stylish. Guys, this is a fabulous collection for summer season. So those girls who love to wear sandals, so guys, this is a fabulous collection for you because in this video I have uploaded different designs of formal wear sandals for summer season in different color also, and also with the hope that this video is very helpful and very useful for you. So friends, must watch this video till then. You will get many beautiful and amazing ideas of formal wear sandals, and I hope you love all the designs. And guys, I also hope that this video and this collection of sandals is very helpful and very useful for you. So guys, what you have to do, just watch this video till then. You will get many beautiful and amazing designs of sandals, and I hope you love all the designs. These are so beautiful, so stylish, and after wearing these types of sandals you are looking so beautiful and stylish, because you can see in this video all designs of formal wear sandals are so stylish and so beautiful. So guys, must watch this video till then. You will get many beautiful and amazing ideas of sandals, and I hope you love all the designs. Guys, you will get many hints and many ideas from my videos, so don't miss any video and watch my videos till then for getting beautiful and amazing ideas that is only and only for you. So I hope you love all the designs because these are so stylish, so beautiful. And guys, if you are going for a university, then you can also wear these types of sandals, and you can also find these sandals designs in different color also, and also with color contrast. So I hope you love all the designs and like this collection. And guys, I also hope that this video and this collection of summer season sandals is very helpful and very useful for you. So I hope you love all the designs. So guys, if you're loving all the designs of sandals, so please do also like my video and subscribe my channel, and also click bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get my new videos notification, and you never miss any video and any collection on my channel. Guys, my main purpose is just to update you by latest fashion trends. So if you want to be updated by the latest fashion trends, so my channel is all about latest fashion trends. So just tell me in comment section what kind of videos would you like to see on my channel, so that I can bring my next videos according to your choice and demand also. Because as I always saying that your choice is very important for me, and I always trying to bring a useful collection for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to like and share my videos. I need your help. Please guys, support me for sharing my videos with your friends and relatives. So see you soon in next videos with amazing collection and new ideas, inshallah. So guys, take care of you and your family a lot. Remember me in your precious prayers, and one thing more, be positive always. Allah Hafiz.